Hello, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KhalisaB, and I am back to show you guys how I beat my face. Okay, I asked you guys on Instagram what you guys wanted to see, and one of the video suggestions was a makeup tutorial, so I have come through for y'all. So if you want to see how I got this cute simple look, don't mind my daughter crying in the background. Real simple, real minimal. This video is for beginners because your girl is a beginner. I honestly haven't even been doing makeup even a full year yet, so there may be some things that I do in here that I'm not supposed to do. Make sure you tell your girl in the comments, sis, you weren't supposed to do that. Without further ado, make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look. Also, if you want information on this hair, you can click the information link right here and go watch that video. Let's get straight into this look. Alright y'all, so your girl is going to be doing her makeup today for the first time on our channel. I think this is the first time me doing my makeup. Yes. Just a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup pro. Honestly a beginner. I don't really know what type of look I'm going for. I don't know what outfit I'm wearing, so I'm really just gonna go with the flow and hopefully it comes out cute. So first I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use this little fully, whatever you want to call it, just to brush them out. And honestly you guys, this is what takes me the longest between my eyebrows and doing my eyeshadow. I think those two come tie. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera. I am going to be using a LA Girls eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color black. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and I'll come back and show you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna spray my beauty blender or sponge and just pat it. I have to get rid of any creasing, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply our setting powder. So today I'm going to be using the Black Radiance setting powder. This is the banana powder. I'm gonna just use this one that I used the last time I did my makeup. So for the top of my brow, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Born to Glow. This is the color Cappuccino. I usually like to put it on the back of my hand and just use a brush to shape out the top of my brows. Now I'm going in with my LA Face Primer. Y'all, I love this stuff. I need to get some more because clearly I'm running out. Oh. And I just like to rub this in my face, on my cheeks, and my chin, where most of my open pores are. And I'm also going to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And I like to pat this in. I'll go in with my LA Girl Nudist palette. See y'all, this is where it gets complicated for me because I don't really know how to do colors. Although I did post a picture on Instagram a few days ago and it was kind of cute, so I think I'm gonna start off with that base color, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna just apply it all to my inner crease. Alright, so next I'm going in with my NYX Mint palette, and this orange color right here. So I think I'm gonna have to put some concealer over it. Again, I'm going in with my camo concealer that I use on top of my lid, and we're just gonna make it like a little moon shape. I'm gonna go in with a flathead brush between this orange. I'm gonna spray it with my LA setting spray just a little bit. So now that I have that packed on there, I'm gonna go in with a wider brush. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend the top of my eyeshadow out. Now I'm going to deepen my crease, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with this dark brown from the Nudist palette, LA Nudist palette. gonna go ahead and move on to my eyeliner. I use this Wet n Wild liquid liner. I honestly think this is the closest I've gotten both my eyeliners to look at the same time. So now the most difficult part for me is applying lashes. I got some new glue. This is the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive. The lashes that I'm using are Kiss lashes that I've got from CVS. Alright y'all, so my daughter's coming in the room, so if you hear her in the background, yeah. So now to the face, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 390. So this shade is actually a little lighter than me, so I'm going to go in also with my Juvia's Place foundation, and this is the color Kampala 340. I don't think I've ever used this foundation combination, so we're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully it looks okay. I probably shouldn't be trying anything new on camera because it might not turn out right, but we're gonna wish for the best. I'll just spray my setting spray and I'm just gonna blend. I'm feeling like this is giving me the Oompa Loompa vibes. But hopefully, once we contour, it'll look a little better. So now I'm going in with my LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to go over it with the Milani Concealer Perfect 160 Warm Tan. Blend these babies out. So now I'm going to use a butt piece and just blend this out. This is what my face looks like, highlights and everything. I'm going to go ahead and apply my setting powder. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit while we let it set. I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I'm going in with my True Complexions contour palette. Alright y'all, so I'm going in with this brush right here, and I'm going to dip into the contour and the sculpt one. It's like dab. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and take this scarf off so I can contour my forehead, because I'm pretty sure the line of demarcation is real. We're gonna fix it though. Yeah. And by the way, I haven't put anything on this brush. I'm just, be quiet please. I haven't put anything on this brush. I'm just blending out the line of demarcation at this point. And I probably won't even put any contour on it because it kind of looks like it's already contoured, so I might leave it as it is because it looks pretty good to me. So y'all see the nose now, no contour. Watch me snatch this baby. Y'all don't mind, are y'all in the background? Hi. And me. It's you. Snatch, no snatch.
Snatch, no snatch. Snatch, no snatch.
I'll go ahead and put some blush on, y'all. I'm not really a blush person, but this blush right here is super cute, and this is the Artesian Color Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almond blush brush. So just a little bit. we're gonna put some of this right under the eyelid. Apply some to the nose, to the bridge of our nose. You can see that. See, y'all see that? Oh, y'all see that? Yes. Gonna go ahead and set our face with the LA Girl setting spray. Last and final step for your girl's makeup is put some highlight on her cheeks. Same palette, using a highlight brush from e.l.f. Guys, so I decided to incorporate a outfit of the night in this video. So we're gonna start off with my top. I got this tank top from Walmart. It's cropped, but it is a medium. These pants right here, don't mind my little gut, you guys. I'm working on this, okay? These pants I got from Fashion Nova. Canopy pants that have the cutout knee in them. This oversized sweater you can wear like this. I like mine off the shoulders. Like, what is fall without a big oversized sweater? And I'm not sure exactly where I got this oversized sweater. I'm pretty sure it was either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. The day, outfit of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to this channel and you made it this far, make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel. Turn on notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.